The shrimp flavor is intense, the creamy soup is very rich. Believe me, this is something that you should try making at home. Hi FiberCreme lovers, I'm Lisa. Today I will make miso kuah penang. Especially, this menu will use FiberCreme as multi-purpose powder. Okay, let's start. First, we're making the soup. And here are the ingredients. There's a sweet potato, shrimp, shrimp stock, dried shrimp, garlic, shallot, peanut, tom yum paste, ketchup, chili sauce, and chili paste. Now we are going to cut the sweet potato and potato into the small pieces. Cook it until soft. While waiting the potatoes to cook, let's peel the shrimp. Don't throw away the skin and head because we're going to blend along with the stock. Let's blend our peeled shrimp and add some water. Okay, it's enough, and let it aside. Soak the dried shrimp with hot water about 5 minutes. Blend the shrimp shells and soak dried shrimp with the shrimp stock. Run through a sieve into the shrimp from earlier. Next, let's blend garlic and shallot. Put some water and blend it until smooth. Now it's already smooth. Let it aside. Then proceed to blend the peanut. Here are our boiled potato, which we're going to mix it with some water and smooth out using a blender. Okay, next let's add shallot and garlic mixture into a pan to reduce the water. After the water reduces, add some oil and sauteing until fragrant. Once this becomes fragrant, add chili paste, chili sauce, ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of peanut. And then stir well. Now add the shrimp stock, stir well, and bring it to a boil. Once this boils, add tom yum paste and potato mixture. To add creaminess and fiber to this dish, we're going to add FiberCreme, creamy dietary fiber that makes anything tastier and healthier. I'm using FiberCreme here as an alternative to coconut milk because I need to increase my fiber intake but still want to eat something tasty like this dish. FiberCreme isn't only high in fiber, it also has 0 mg cholesterol and low sugar, seasoned with salt and mushroom powder. This package of 100 grams FiberCreme can make 16 serving of miso kuah penang. And it's done, miso kuah penang. It looks yummy. Let me try it. It's so flavorful, yummy, and delicious. The shrimp flavor is intense, the creamy was very rich. Believe me, this is something that you should try making at home. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the LNK YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to be the first one to discover new recipes from FiberCreme. Bye bye!